Good morning, dear student. I hope you all are good. Okay. Now, today class standard 12 subject account and chapter number 1, that is introduction to partnership. Okay. Now, in this lecture we will see and we are solving the illustration number 14. Okay. There are 3 partners and here some changing in the profit and loss distribution. Okay, now we are reading the problems of the illustration number 14, then we will see it. Okay, now illustration number 14, Saksham, Samarth and Shrey are partners of a firm. Okay, their capital on 1/4/2016 was rupees 1,60,000 and 40,000. So here 3 partners, Saksham, Samarth and Shrey, and the capital introduced 1/4/2016. The business started 1/4/2016 and ending 31/3/2017. Okay. Now here the partner introduced the capital 1,60,000 and 40,000. So here as per the partnership deed among the 3 partners, they agree provide interest on capital 8% on capital of partners. Okay. Then second is 10% interest is chargeable drawing to the firm. Okay, by these 3 partners who are drawing the capital. Okay, now here monthly salary of 600 is payable to Samarth. So here Samarth is an active partner, so here it is said that 600 monthly payable. So 600 multiplied by 12, okay, 7,200 payable to Samarth by the firm. Okay, now here partners would share half profit in equal proportion. Okay, and remaining half profit share in the opening capital proportion. So here what is said that whatever the amount of the profit, if suppose 10,000 profit occurred in the business, so here 5,000 distribute equally and 5,000 distribute in opening proportion 1,60,000 and 40,000 means 10, 6, 4. Okay, 5, 3, 2. अगर हम उसे शॉर्ट करेंगे तो 5, 3, 2 रेशियो में हम क्या करेंगे, उसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे. ओके, आई होप दिस इज गॉट इट. Now on 1/1/2017, Saksham and Shrey have withdraw 5,000 and 40,000. 5,000 and 4,000. So this is a drawing. Okay, so here Saksham and Shrey only withdraw the capital, so we are charged on interest them, not in a Samarth. Okay, now here partners have unanimously decided to transfer 10% divisible profit to generalism. So here if suppose divisible profit is 10,000, so we are calculate 10% and transfer into the general reserve. So here 1,000 transferring into the general reserve. Then 9,000 we are dividing half. Then 4,500 equally distributed among 3 partners and 4,500 distributed in their capital proportion 5, 3 and 2. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now before regarding of above mentioned adjustment, profit of the firm on 31/3/2017 34,975. This is profit. Net profit came from the profit and loss account. Okay, now here from the above information prepare profit and loss appropriation account as well as partners capital account. So here it is not defined which method we apply. So here if not defined, then we are applying fluctuating capital method. and in this method only one account is prepared, partners capital account. So in this account permanent capital and fluctuating capital and withdraw the capital drawing, all these entries are in this one account. Okay, I hope this is clear to all of you. Now we are solving the illustration number 14. Now we are solving the problem illustration number 14. So here there are three partners and they introduce capital. So first of all we written down the net profit of the business. So here net profit is 34,975. Okay. So here in profit and loss account by net profit. Okay, balance BD. Okay, came from profit and loss account. Okay, how much amount is 34,975. Okay, now here they introduce capital 1,60,000 and 40,000. So here by we balance BD. Okay, so here 1/4/2016 को क्या कर रहे हैं वो लोग इंट्रोड्यूस द कैपिटल. So 1,60,000 and 40,000. Okay, now here provide interest on capital 8% on capital of partners. So we are providing the interest on capital to the partners. So here for first is Saksham. Okay, so 1 lakh into 8%. In which date they are introducing 1/4/16. So we are calculating whole the year 8%. So here 8,000 is the capital of interest on capital of Saksham. So 31/3/2016 by interest on capital. Okay, 8,000. And here 2 interest on capital Saksham, Samarth and Shreya. So here for 8,000 interest on capital. Okay, now for 60,000 for Samarth. So here Samarth 60,000 into 8%. So here 4,800 is for interest of Samartha Shreya. So 40,000 capital into 8%, 3,200 interest on capital of this two partners. So 4,800 and 3,200 interest on capital on a partners capital account in a credit side and debit side in a profit and loss appropriation account. So 4,800 and 3,200. Okay, so here 3 and 16 is the answer. Now here interest chargeable drawing 10%. So here first of all we see that Saksham and Shreya withdraw the capital 5,000 and 4,000 on 1/1/2017. So it is reducing in the capital. So we are writing down the debit side of the partners capital account 1/1/17 to drawing account. Okay, because it is withdrawing, that is called drawing. So here 5,000 for Saksham and 4,000 for Shreya. So 5,000. Here changing, we are written down here. Okay. Now we are charge on it. So here this is interest on capital solution, and here interest on drawing. Okay, so here for Saksham 5,000 into 10% into 3 months. Okay, so here answer is 125. Now here for Shreya 4,000 into 10% upon 300, so 3 upon 12. So here 100 is for the share interest on drawing. Okay, so here 31,317. So this all the adjustment, interest on paying, selling, bonus, commission, these all are charges and paying to partners. This all are entry doing in 31 in the ending of the year. Okay, so to interest on drawing. So here 125 and 100. Okay, so here it is income for the business. So we written down in a credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Interest on drawing. Saksham and Shreya only. 125 and 100. 225. Okay, I hope this is clear to all of you. Now here monthly salary paid payable 600 to Samar. So it is income for the Samar and expense for the business. So here salary, it is given to us monthly income. How much amount? 600. So here Samar 600 into 12. Okay, so 7,200 is the salary of this partner. So here 31,300 by salary. 7,200. Okay, so this is expenses for us. So to salary. किसको दे रहे हैं हम लोग? Samar. So specified this entry we are given to Samar. Okay. Now here this is the entry is closed now. Now what is said that partners would share profit equal proportion, half profit in an equal proportion we are distributing, and half proportion of it we are distributing in a capital ratio. Okay, then but here first we said that whatever the amount of profit we distribute 10% and transfer into the general reserve. Then we proceed this distribution of the profit among these partners. Okay. Now here we are totaling of the credit side. The total is 35,200. Okay. So here 35,200. Now here this total is, we are reducing it. So we know that the 12,000 is the our difference of the in a debit side. Okay, so here 23,200 debit side we are reducing in 35,200. So here 12,000 is remaining. So here transfer into general reserve. How much percentage? 10%. So 12,000 into 10%. 10%. So 1,200 is we are transferring to general reserve. So here profit is reduced and going into the general reserve. The general reserve has a credit side. So here profit and loss appropriation account is debit, to general reserve account is credit. Okay. So here to general reserve. Okay. So 1200 its answer. Now here with divisible profit, the difference is 10,800. Okay. 12,000 में से 1,200 reducing, then 10,800 is divisible profit. So it is transferred to partners capital account. Partners capital account. It is a divisible profit. So we are showing as a profit. Okay. Now here Saksham, Samarth and Shreya. So I am roughing this solution, interest on capital. Now here distribution of the profit and loss account. Distribution of profit and loss. So here 10,800 is your profit, but half of this said equal proportion and half of this in a capital proportion. So equal proportion is 1 zem 1. An amount is 5,400. Okay. Now here second capital proportion is 5, 3 and 2. Okay. And amount is same 5,400. Okay. Now here 5,400 we are distributing equally. So for Saksham 1,800 is profit. For Samarth is same 1,800 is profit and Shreya 1,800. Okay. Now here 5,400 into 5 upon 10. Okay. So here its answer is 2,700. Okay. Then 5,400 into 3 upon 10 and 5,400 into 2 upon 10. So here answer is 1,620 and 10,080. Okay. Now we are merging these two entries, 1,800 plus 2,700. The answer is 4,500 we give as a profit to Saksham. Now 1,800 plus 1,620, then 3,420 profit we give to Samarth. Okay, at 1,800 plus 1,080, then total is 2,880. So 2,880 we give to Shreya. Okay, I hope this is clear. What we are doing? First of all, we are totaling of this credit side and we get the difference 12,000. Then we are 10% of 12,000 transfer into general reserve. So 1,200 is transferring the general reserve. Now remaining portion is 10,800. So here it is said how proportion distributed in equal proportion, that is 111, and how proportion is distributed in a capital proportion 5:3:2. So here 1,800 equally distributing among 3 partners and 2,700 given Saksham, 1,620 given to Samarth and 1,080 given to Shreya. Now we are totaling of these two amounts and we will get the 4,500 for Saksham, 3,420 for Samarth and 2,882 for the Shreya. Okay. Now this general reserve is going into the liability side in a balance sheet. Now we are transferring this profit and loss appropriation divisible profit into the partner's capital. So here by profit and loss appropriation account, it's a profit. Okay, so here 4,500, 3,420 and 2,880. Okay, I hope this is clear to all of you. Now here we are totaling of this Saksham account, and we will see that credit side is more than the debit side. So it is a capital, it is a profit of the Saksham. So here the total is 1,12,500. 1,12,500. Okay. Now here we are transferring and we are reducing this 5,125. So we get the balance carry forward, and this balance carry forward in a liability side of the balance sheet. Okay. If here debit side is more than the credit side, so we are balance carry forward in a asset side of balance sheet because it is a loss of the business. So here the portion of remaining balance carry forward 1,07,375. So here to balance carry forward 1,07,375. Okay. Now here we are total of this Samarth account, and we will see that here no entry in the debit side. So it is a profit of the Samarth. So here 75,420. It is a capital. Now here for partner B is more than the credit side is more than the debit side. Okay, so here we see that the credit side is amount is 75,420. Okay, 75,420 in a credit side. Now here we are see that in a debit side is a no entry. So it is a fully amount of the is a capital of the Samarth. Okay, so 75,400 is fully amount as a capital of the Samarth. Now it is transferred in the liability side of the balance sheet. Now here we say that the Shreya account is a credit side 46,080. Okay, and we are reducing the entry of in a debit side. So we will see the difference of a capital of a Shreya, that is 41,980. So 41,980 is as a capital of the Shreya. Now same as the illustration number 12, 13, 14 in exercise 9, 10 and 11. If you do it's yourself. Okay, to do yourself here in this exercise number 9, 10, 11 some changes in the some points in a given line in this exercise. So we are discussing in the next lecture, and the remaining portion and remaining entries are same as the illustration number 12, 13 and 14. So do yourself. Okay, thank you so much.